Expert Raw just broke, and Samsung fixed it fast. If you're running the One UI 8.5 beta on your Galaxy S25 and suddenly Expert Raw stopped opening, don't worry, Samsung has already pushed a solution. After the One UI 8.5 Beta 2 update, many users reported that Expert Raw became incompatible and refused to launch. This issue wasn't present in the first beta, but the second build, ZYLH, introduced camera-level changes that broke the app. Samsung acted quickly and released Expert Raw version 5.0.04.9, which fully restores compatibility with One UI 8.5 Beta 2. Once updated, Galaxy S25 users can again enjoy professional-grade photography during the beta program without any issues. Updating is super easy. Just open the Galaxy Store, go to Menu, tap Updates, and install the latest Expert Raw version. That's it. Access unlocked again. This fix also aligns with Samsung's updated Camera Assistant in One UI 8.5 Beta 2. The new Camera Assistant brings back dual recording and single take, along with new Pro Mode controls designed for advanced users who want more creative freedom without swing apps. While Expert Raw is packed with powerful tools for serious photography, its user base is still relatively small. That's why there wasn't massive outrage when it stopped working. But for creators and camera enthusiasts, this update is absolutely essential. So if you're using Expert Raw on One UI 8.5 Beta, make sure you update now to avoid missing out on Samsung's pro camera experience. Enjoying these Samsung updates and beta tips? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest One UI news, hidden features, and Galaxy camera upgrades. Your support helps the channel grow, and more spicy updates are coming.